Hello viewers, today we will learn about phishing attack. What is this phishing attack? How they make you as victim in this phishing attack? Phishing, what is phishing means they send some link through your WhatsApp, SMS or email or so many various of forms. They send a link, a phishing link, which will take you to land on a phishing website or a phishing page, or a attack can be initiated. So I will give you one small example of this phishing attack so that it would make you easy to understand and how they operate it. See, we have received a toll free a call to our toll free number. I have also told you in all my previous videos our toll free number is 1800 425 6235. So one day we have received a call from a unknown user requesting us, sir, this is what fraud happened with me. Then we have asked what exactly happened. So he has received a link to his mobile asking to redeem his vouchers, Flipkart, Amazon vouchers, as he has spent lot of good amount in his credit card. So as you have spent a good amount of budget in your credit card, so we are offering you this Amazon or Flipkart coupons. So you have to redeem it by clicking this link. When he clicked that link, he entered into a phishing website that is similar to the original website, but it is a phishing website where it is collected his all credit card details. This person is only observing that okay, I may get some Amazon coupons or Flipkart coupons so that he can use it for his shopping. He was only under that impression and is keep on giving the details what that exact website is asking for. So finally a OTP has received to his mobile. Then he don't know where to enter the OTP and all. So he was searching in that website. Then he has seen a column to enter OTP. He has entered OTP. Within minutes of entering this OTP, a message come from his credit card department saying that thank you for purchasing this much of amount for laptop or something. So he understood why this is happened, why this came to us. Like then he started researching on it. Then he came to know that the website is a phishing website. They have cloned that original company website and created a phishing website to trap the customers. So in between also they are keep on calling to this person, sir, you have this option of redeeming your credit card points as a Amazon coupon or Flipkart coupon. So he continuously getting calls, still you can do that. Then one another person posing himself as a manager, he came to the picture and he started a conversation, sir, we are very sorry, something happened, so we have, instead of giving you 1 lakh to your account, we have deducted that account from your account, so we wanted to give that money back. As a gift we also want to give 1 more lakh to you. So they are asking so many details. So in this attack, phishing and wishing both are involved. Phishing is creating a clone website and just showing as a this Amazon coupon or this some amount, okay, for this attack. And wishing is continuously they are calling to his number, mobile number, and they are motivating or forcing him to do what the instruction which they share to his mobile. So this is a very basic information of phishing and wishing. Okay, for tips to safeguard yourself from these kind of frauds, phishing attacks, you have to follow some basic guidelines, that never click any link which shared to your SMS or WhatsApp message or email or any messenger, instant messenger platforms. And you have to be very careful while sharing or while going through such websites, visiting to such websites. You have to observe the padlock, the security concern, SSL certificate, whether the log symbol is there or not, and what the spelling of that particular website, the original whether is it the original website or a phishing website, and the fonts, the design, color, everything you have to observe. So they'll maintain a mild differences to fraud the users. So this is about phishing.